welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and today I'm testing this new eyeliner. It's from Maybelline and it's the Master Precise Curvy one. And if you want to see how this looks, then just keep watching. So overall, I have to say that I like this liner a lot. It's got like this intense black color, which I really love. You don't have to overlay it at all. Like, for example, I do love the NYX Epic Ink liner, I guess. Is it Epic Ink? I think yes. And it's like so liquid and you have to layer it all the time, especially if you're wearing like shimmery eyeshadows, and I just don't really love that because it takes like so much time, and this one is just so effortless. And I also love the packaging a lot, even though I have to mention that the tip is kind of weird. Like, I can't really figure out how to use this one yet, but we will see. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please. That will make me like so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!